Focus on products with steady demand, decent profit margins, and low competition. Avoid generic items that are oversaturated. Check out top stores in your niche using tools like SimilarWeb, SpyFu, or Dropship Spy. Study their product range, pricing, ad strategy, and customer experience. Use trusted platforms like AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, Zendrop, or Spocket. Test product quality and shipping times before committing. Shopify is the most beginner-friendly. Alternatives: WooCommerce or Wix e-commerce. Set up your store with clear product photos and descriptions. Tools like Desers or Oberlo automate importing products, managing orders, and syncing inventory. Saves time and prevents stock issues. Create a unique store name, logo, and color scheme that reflects your niche. Branding builds trust, a key factor in converting first-time buyers. Enable secure payment gateways, ad policies, shipping, returns, privacy. Register your business and get a tax ID if required. Launch with Facebook ads, TikTok ads, or Instagram Reels to drive traffic. Test multiple creatives, start small, scale what works. Optimize for conversion to enhance the user experience and increase sales. Continuous improvements lead to ongoing success.